Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. Currently we are exploring funny and amazing projects to make your coding life or coding journey very easy or interesting. So in this project I will be teaching you some technical concept which is image steganography. So what is image steganography? Image steganography can be simply defined as hiding information or textual data inside the image, and this data will not be seen by your naked eyes. You will be requiring a special Python package which is called as Stegano, which will help you to hide your confidential information inside the image, and you can send this image to your friend and he can also extract that image using the same package. This will be very amazing project for you all guys, as you will be sending hidden messages like normal CBI or FI does in real world. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the creation of this project related to image steganography, where we will be hiding our important messages inside the images and send that image to our friends or the receiver, and he will be reading that information on his end. So how the process will work, let's move to the destination screen and explore the project.
This is our destination folder and there is only one image in this folder, as you can see. So we will be hiding our data in this image using steganography concept. So I will just close it now. So now let's hide our personal data in this image. So for that I will just right click and open this folder code. So my VS Code is ready, as you can see. So I will just create a new Python file. Let's say as Stegano. So this is a file I'm just using it. So we will be requiring a Python package called as Stegano to hide data in images. You can install this package by typing pip install Stegano in command prompt or in the terminal of VS Code. I have already installed the package, so I will directly import this package by typing from Stegano import LSB. So after that I will be creating this new variable, let's say secret, and I will be use lsb dot hide method of Stegano package to hide data in our image. So to do that I will just write name of image here. So the name of image was nature.png and just add a secret message here. So let's say secret message is Python is for. So this is a secret message which will get hide in the nature.png file. So using this lsb.hide method of Stegano package, our message will successfully get encrypted in image. So we have to save the image. So for that I will just write secret.save and I will just write a new name. So let's say as new nature and file extension as png. So this was the entire code in which we can hide image. I will just save it and click on run button. The error has occurred. Actually I have just written the name of this package incorrectly, so I will just make it correct and rerun the program once again. So as you can see, our program is executed successfully. So let's check our destination folder. So as you can see, a new nature file is created successfully. So this is a similar image of our normal image, and we can send this file to anyone and he will never come to know that there is secret data in the image. So to extract data from such images, we have to just write 2 lines of code more. So let's do that. So let's move back to our VS Code. I will just close it and just comment this 2 statement. And after that I will just create a new variable to secret data, so to extract in data. Then there is a method .lsb.create which helps us to extract data from such images. So I will just copy paste the name of that image. So I pasted. So the secret data from the images gets saved in secret data name variable that we created. So I will just print the variable secret data. Now let's run the program and check whether if the same message is printed on screen or not. So as you can see, the message is successfully printed here. So this was steganography. So in this way we can hide any type of data in images and send it over internet securely. Here comes the end of this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. If you face any queries while running this program, you can simply message me on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video.